Good morning, students. Welcome back to new session. In this session, we are going to continue exercise 2.5. Ninth question. Verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Here we are going to utilize use x plus y whole cube identity. We know that x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So we are going to send plus 3xy into x plus y other side. You will get x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. So x plus y is common in both the terms. Here in RHS x plus y whole cube and into x plus y. So x plus y, if you take common, you will get x plus y whole square minus 3xy. Now if you elaborate x plus y whole square, you will get x square plus y square plus 2xy. So plus 2xy minus 3xy gives you minus xy. So x cube plus y cube can be verified as equal to x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. Similarly, x cube minus y cube, we are going to take x minus y whole cube. Now factorize each of the following. So 27y cube plus 125z cube. Just now we got an identity that x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus yz. So based on that, we are going to write the terms as x cube plus y cube. That is 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube. Now in place of x you can take 3y. In place of y you can take 5z. So based on that, based on the identity x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, we are going to substitute the values. Similarly, you can go for 64m cube minus 343n cube. You can write as 4m whole cube minus 7n whole cube. So factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Here we are going to use identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Here 27x cube can be written as 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z. So you can see that in place of x you can take 3x and y upon y and z upon z. Then you will get substitute 3x y and z in place of x y z. You will get a factorization as 3x plus y plus z into 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. So verify that. Here you can see, verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus z minus x whole square. Here what we are doing, we are taking the identity as it is as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now here we are multiplying the RHS with 2 by 2. The first product we are multiplying with 1 by 2 and the second product we are multiplying with 2. So after simplifying, you will get half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Here we are going to take the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So here we know that x plus y plus z equal to 0. So product with 0, total entire RHS becomes 0. Now you will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz as 0. So if we send minus 3xy the other side, you will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So if x plus y plus z equal to 0, directly we can take the cube, sum of the cubes of that numbers as 3xyz. So based on that, the application, you can see the previous proof. Without actual calculating the cubes, find the value each of the following. Minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. If you add a plus b plus a, got 0. So directly I can take a 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. That is minus 1260. Similarly, you can go with 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Now give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Now area is given. What is the formula of area of rectangle? It is L into B. Now L into B means you are going to factorize the 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Now 25 into 12. 25 into 12 is 300 and the middle term is minus 35. So I can take minus 15 and minus 20 as the split of middle terms. So 25a square minus 15a minus 20a plus 12. So if you take 5a common in the first term, you will get 5a minus 3, and minus 4 common in the second term, you will get 5a minus 3. So the product you can get as 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. So the length will be one of the product and breadth will be the other. Any one you can take, vice versa. Similarly, you can go with 35y square plus 13y minus 12. You are going with a factorization of the given polynomial. Now here write the possible expression for the dimension of the cuboids whose volume. So volume means length into breadth into height. You are going to factorize three terms because it is cube. It is quadratic polynomially. One term we will take as a constant term. So if you take 3x common in a given thing, you will get 3x into x minus 4. So 3 is one of the length possible expression and x will be the breadth and x minus 4 will be the height. So similarly in the second one you can take a ky common, k common. 4k common if you take you will get the polynomial, quadratic polynomial, then you can factorize so that you will get the remaining two dimensions, breadth and height. Thank you students, that's all for today. Have a great day.